Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and then somewhere here, once you swipe down once again, you'll see the screen recording toggle. You can just simply tap on it and select agree. When you begin recording, it will automatically record with the microphone being enabled, so you might want to turn that off, assuming you don't want it. And from now on, whatever you'll open will be recorded by the device. Once you're done, you can click right here where we have the timer, and this will automatically stop the recording and save it to your gallery application. And it will show up, if you just captured it, it will show up under today, but if you're trying to find your screen recordings later on down the line and you tend to capture a lot of different pictures, videos and stuff like that, it might be easier to navigate into albums and then screenshots. And in here you will find screenshots, but also screen recordings, which there it is. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.